away from the stormy cloud, down through the ground to the tiny seed. You came to me in a stormy hour. Your love found a home deep inside of me. The rain is working very hard. It's got to water every little seed. It's beautifully ordinary, making life seem very good indeed. That I could lay around all day with you and listen to the rain pounding on the roof. But I'm in Oklahoma, only half the way home, driving though I barely even see the road. The rain is working very hard. It's got to water every little seed. Beautifully ordinary, making life seem very good indeed. Whoa, 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 whoa. The rain keeps coming down, but it don't bother me. In fact, it brings me back my favorite memory. You're laughing in the rain, your clothes are soaking wet, standing neath the branches waiting for a kiss. The rain is working very hard. It's got to water every little seed. It's beautifully ordinary, making life seem very good indeed. Rain keeps falling down, but it don't bother me.